I got an interesting question from a client today. She has a spreadsheet with different expenditures that took place in different quarters of the year. She needs the totals of these expenditures by quarter, but she also needs to sort the table by expenditure. She wanted to know what formula she could use that would keep the total no matter how the table was sorted. I recommended she use the SUMIF function. This function sums amounts if a certain condition is met. In this case, it can sum on quarter. So let's see how it would work. We would say equals, to start our function, sum if, open brackets. So the first thing we do is we choose the range of the criteria. So I'm going to choose this is the range that we are going to use our criteria on. Comma, our criteria would be, for this case, quarter 1, and the sum range is this column over here, column D. So basically, this formula says, check column C. If column C is equal to 1, add the value that is in column D. And when I press enter, we get the total for that. So now it doesn't matter how I sort any of these columns, the quarter total will stay the same. So now if I wanted to do the same thing for all the rest of them, all I would need to do is to just change the condition. So here I would change the condition to 2 and 3 and 4 and so on.